Okay, like
Go.
I get the chicken quesadilla because it's got. This is not a Taco Bell commercial. Okay, and if it was, you'd be throwing it up right now.
Anyway, it's chicken corn.
We're in here illegally, people. We're spitting in your food. Don't do it.
You're making me shake the screen. Say it, bitches.
We get the chicken quesadilla because
It comes with the chicken and
cheese.
tortilla. And what else, Kirsten? What does it come with? Let's tell the people what they want.
Holy shit. Okay, say it.
Cheese! The Mexican kind. Orange and yellow. No.
Say it right.
Not my favorite.
Say it right, bitch.
Oh my god.
You get the quesadilla.
And cut, replay.
You get the quesadilla because it has.
We get the chicken quesadilla.
Because it has.
The tortilla.
The chicken and the cheese. And let's go cheese. Okay. Okay.
Alright, ready? Go.
We get the chicken quesadilla because it comes with
Tortilla.
the tortilla,
See, this is what we do.
the chicken,
This was Samson time.
And the cheese.
and the cheese.
Cheese.
Hey yo.